Hello everyone, this is Namrata. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In today's video session, we're gonna cover another topic in Salesforce, which is how to access the Experience Cloud or the Community Cloud, and then how can you enable it. So we have done variety of videos related to Experience Cloud. So please refer our channel SFDC One Stop to get a better understanding of all the videos that we have created related to the Experience Cloud. I am doing this basic video on a request as our viewers were not able to find out the Experience Cloud when they try to log in. So this is the video for everyone who were not able to find out how to access the Experience Cloud. So this video will help you understand in depth on how to access the Experience Cloud and then how can you enable the Experience Cloud. So I will provide you detailed step right from, as soon as you have a developer org, how can you verify that you have the ability to create the communities, how many licenses you have for the partner community and the customer community. So let's log in into our Salesforce DevOps. So I have already logged in into my Salesforce DevOps. So what I did is I created this new developer development org. So this is a developer org. So how can you find out? So as soon as you log in into your Salesforce DevOps, when you search for the company information under the quick find box, here you can see that on the right hand side, the organization edition. So this is the developer edition. Now, when you scroll down under the user licensing part, you can see that Salesforce license I have two, I have utilized one. Then you have the customer community login, customer community plus, then you have customer community. Then also you have the partner community licenses, partner community login license. So which means that you can create a partner community and you can also create a customer community. So each of these partners or the customer community, you have 5 total licenses available. Since I said this is the development org I have created for the demo purpose, only to show you how to access the Experience Cloud, I haven't used any of the customer community licenses or any of the partner community licenses. So since this is a development org, developer org edition, you have only 5 licenses which are available for each. That is customer community as well as the partner community. Now, I also have created another edition that is a professional edition. So you see here, I have this professional. So how can I say that this org is a professional? When I log in here, it gives me the profession edition, right? So now let us try to understand the difference between these two. Here you can see that I just have the Salesforce licenses. I have 5 and have used 1 and remaining are 4. But do you see the difference? Here you do not have any licenses with respect to community. You do not have community license, customer community, nor you have the partner community. So this means you will not be able to create any communities Experience Cloud sites in this profession edition. Okay, now how can you verify whether you can create or how to enable the partner or enable the communities? Let's log in back to the previous developer org. So this customer community, sorry, this Experience Cloud, earlier it was referred as communities. So when you type in from the setup, if you type in the communities, you can see that digital experience, right? Under the feature settings, this naming convention has been changed. So earlier it was communities. Then if you have to enable, you have to go to the settings and enable the community. So now you do not have any verbiage or name like communities. It's been renamed or referenced as digital experience. So if you are trying to enable the communities or experience cloud for the first time, first you have to ensure that your org has the customer or the partner community licenses available, and then you can come to the digital experience. You can type in the keyword communities or the digital experience and click on the settings. So this is the place where you can enable your Experience Cloud. That is a digital experience. So here you see As soon as you open the digital experience and click on the settings, it clearly tells me that it is an experiences. And then here it is asking me to enable the digital experience. So see, once you enable the digital experience, then as a step 2, it is required that you give a domain name to this one. So let us try to give a domain name. So I'm just trying to check if this domain name is available. You can't choose, okay? Let's try to check the availability. No, even this is something I cannot choose. So you have to ensure that you are giving a unique name and this domain name is not been used by any other organizations. Just giving. I think it is not taking any of the domain names. Yeah. So this domain name is available. So I'm just giving it as One Stop India and then click on save. So this is how you can access, enable the experience, digital experience in your org. So now the domain name will be changed to One Stop India. And then you see here, as soon as you enable the domain, right? Now under the digital experience, if you observe the difference, earlier we were only able to see the setting tab, right? This particular section. Now you will be able to see all sites. And from here, you can create your communities, create your digital experience sites, whether it could be the customer community, whether it could be partner community, or if you wanted to create some guest community portal, you can create it from the under the digital experience all sites and click on new. So from here, I think you can follow my channel SFDC One Stop, wherein I have provided detailed steps on how can you create a customer community, partner community, guest community users, and a lot of different a lot of different topics were discussed in my Experience Cloud video. So now you were able to figure out the difference, right? So this is my developer edition. Now let's go back to the enterprise professional edition, where we were not even able to see the customer community or partner community licenses. Right now let us try to search whether you have digital experience here. You see here, you will not be able to find the digital experience. Try with communities. You don't have communities. So since you do not have any licenses, you do not have access to the Experience Cloud. So that is the difference between the developer edition and the professional edition what we have. So in this developer edition, you can come over here, click on the communities. When you refresh it, type in the communities, and here you can see all sites. So here you can go ahead and create your site as per your business request. I hope this video is helpful, and by watching this video you know how to access the community or the Experience Cloud, and then how can you go ahead and enable the Experience Cloud. And if you wanted to understand in detail about how to create an community, partner community, customer community, or a guest community, you can refer the videos whatever we have in our SFDC One Stop channel. So that's all we have for today's session. Until we come up with our next video session, please do take care of yourself. Signing off, yours Namrata Kadiyala. Bye-bye.